how much should you actually spend on a roof rack for your Jeep Grand Cherokee? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting. Product number 1, Kitspro 260 lb Roof Rack Crossbars. First up, we have the Kitspro Roof Rack Crossbars designed for 2011 to 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokees. What caught my attention was the heavy-duty aluminum structure and the price point of $101.18. If you're looking for solid support without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Now, let's talk about why this product solves your problem. These crossbars can hold up to 260 pounds, which is plenty for your kayaks, bikes, or camping gear. The matte black finish not only looks sleek but also adds to its durability against the elements. Since it fits on factory-grooved side rails, installation is straightforward, no need for extra tools or complicated setups. Here's why this matters. You want something that can hold your gear securely without any worries while driving. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being a bit unclear. Here's the thing though, most users found that once they figured it out, it was pretty straightforward. If you're handy or have a friend to help, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable yet strong roof rack for your Jeep. Skip this one if you need a rack for a model outside the 2011-2021 range. For the price, you're getting great value. Now, if the unclear instructions bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Snailfly Roof Rack Crossbars. Next, let's check out the Snailfly Roof Rack Crossbars, which fit the 2021 to 2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee. Priced at $112.58, these bars caught my eye because they're specifically made for both 2-row and 3-row models. If you're looking for versatility, this is worth a serious look. This is important because no one wants a roof rack that sounds like a jet engine at highway speeds. Plus, the heavy-duty construction supports up to 150 pounds, so you can confidently carry your gear without worrying about stability. Here's why this matters for you. It allows you to focus on enjoying your trip, not stressing over your equipment. However, some users mentioned that they felt the bars could be a bit heavier for added stability. But honestly, it's all about finding the right balance. These bars are still solid for most casual outdoor enthusiasts. If you're not hauling super heavy loads all the time, this shouldn't deter you. This is perfect for you if you want a roof rack that can fit multiple Jeep models and provides a quiet ride. Skip this one if you need to carry heavy equipment frequently. For the price, you're getting functionality and ease of use. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a more straightforward installation. Product number 3, Taeyong Roof Rack Crossbars. The next contender is the Taeyong Roof Rack Crossbars, compatible with the 2011 to 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee. At $125.23, this one's a bit pricier, but here's why it caught my attention. It features an all-aluminum design that's both lightweight and durable. If you want something that's easy to manage, this is worth a serious look. The heavy-duty metal lock design means your gear is secure, and it can handle a load of up to 260 pounds. This is great for those weekend getaways where you're bringing along bikes or camping gear. Plus, the straight installation process means you won't need to spend hours setting it up. Here's why this matters. You want to spend more time enjoying the outdoors, not wrestling with your equipment. Now, some users pointed out that it can be a bit noisy while driving. Here's the thing though, most roof racks do create some wind noise. For casual users, it's not a deal breaker, especially if you're looking for ease of use. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable roof rack that's easy to install and offers solid weight capacity. Skip this one if you're sensitive to noise while driving. For the price, it's a fair investment for convenience. Now, if the noise factor concerns you, the next product might just be a quieter option. Product number 4, Roof Rack Crossbars for Grand Cherokee. Next up, we have the Roof Rack Crossbars compatible with the 2021-2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee L3 Row. Priced at $99.93, this option really stood out because of its all-metal aluminum construction. If you're all about durability at a reasonable price, this is worth a serious look. What I really appreciate is the compatibility with multiple Jeep models, meaning you can swap it between vehicles if needed. Here's why this matters. Flexibility is key if you're using your Jeep for different activities. Plus, the installation is straightforward, which is a huge plus for anyone who wants to avoid hassle. However, some users did mention that they wished the finish was a bit more premium. Here's the thing though, while it might not have the sleekest look, it performs well and gets the job done efficiently. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable roof rack that won't let you down during your adventures. Skip this one if you're looking for something that looks ultra premium. For the price, you're getting solid performance without breaking the bank. Now, if the premium finish was what you were after, the last product on our list might just catch your eye. Product number 5, Kitspro 260lb Roof Rack Crossbars 2022-2026. Finally, we have the Kitspro 260lb Roof Rack Crossbars for the 2022-2026 Jeep Grand Cherokee, priced at $107.51. This one grabbed my attention because it's designed specifically for newer models and made from heavy-duty aluminum. The matte black finish not only looks good but also resists corrosion, which is essential for longevity. Here's why this matters. You want a roof rack that lasts as long as your vehicle does, especially if you're investing in a newer model. Now, some users noted that the setup could be a bit tricky for first-timers. Here's the thing, if you take your time and follow the instructions, it's manageable. But if you're not the DIY type, this could be slightly frustrating at first. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a durable roof rack that fits newer Jeep models with a good weight capacity. Skip this one if DIY installations aren't your thing. For the price, you're getting great value for your new ride. To wrap things up, we've explored 5 solid roof racks for the Jeep Grand Cherokee. The Kitspro options provide great value at a budget-friendly price, while the Snailfly offers versatility and quiet rides. The Taeyong gives you convenience with lightweight materials, and the all-metal option ensures durability. Finally, the Kitspro for newer models promises reliability. Depending on your needs, there's definitely a roof rack here for you.